Experiencing issues with the Spectrum TV app on your Roku? You're not alone. Many users face app crashes, login problems, and streaming interruptions. First, ensure your Roku is compatible. You need OS 10.0 or higher. Older models like Roku 1 or 2 won't work. Next, check your internet connection. A stable connection is crucial. Minimum 25 Mbps for HD, 50 Mbps for 4K. Wi-Fi interference can cause problems, so try using a wired Ethernet connection for reliability. If those are fine, try the classic fixes. Restart your Roku and reinstall the Spectrum TV app. Finally, make sure your Spectrum account is active and your login credentials are correct. Expired passwords or account suspensions can cause login failures. If basic troubleshooting doesn't solve the issue, dig deeper. Network problems account for 70% of Spectrum app issues on Roku, so ensure your ISP isn't throttling your connection. If you're on Wi-Fi, consider a mesh network to eliminate dead zones. Another fix is to ensure your Roku's firmware is up to date, as outdated software can cause app conflicts. You can force a manual update in the Roku settings. As a last resort, consider a factory reset of your Roku, but remember to back up your settings first. To prevent future issues, enable auto updates for both Roku and the Spectrum app. Additionally, monitor your Roku device's storage space, as low storage can corrupt app data. If you're still facing issues after these steps, contact Spectrum support directly, as they may have specific fixes for your region or account. Keep an eye out for Roku OS 14.0, expected in early 2026, as it may include AI-driven diagnostics that could auto-resolve common Spectrum app errors.